Whoa. Where'd it go? I'm thankful it didn't hit the cactus. I landed in the tree. Oh, that eagle. Let's see if we can follow it. Eagle versus plane. Hopefully he doesn't take it with him. Yeah, she knows I'm here. Hawk. There's a bird. No. Yeah, I can get it. It's not that bad. I can go grab it. Well, here. I know what I have to do. Hey, just take a stick. If you ever get your plane or drone stuck, if you ever get your aircraft or drone stuck in a bush, you can just grab a stick or throw a rock at it. Don't go too deep. I got it. Now let's go grab the psycho plane. Hold on. I see it. Ugh. See, that wasn't too bad. I got it. And just put everything. Well, thanks for watching my video. Here. And that plane almost attacked me. And it's not gonna happen. Because this one won't attack me. It'll just keep on going straight. Oh, a plane has attacked people on the beach. but like a crazy pile. Well, thanks for flying, and I'll see you next time. No, not that. No, you idiot. Thanks for flying. Yeah, that's not an alien. Thanks for flying, and I'll see you next time. Bye.